It's the Joe and Joey's Imagination Station, where we learn together, we play together, we explore together, and help each other. Welcome back to Joe and Joey's Imagination Station, kiddos! Today, we'll be teaching you kiddos something new. What is it, you ask? Well, it's the word of the week for you kids! What's your word of the week? The word of the week is gorilla! Yay! A gorilla is a powerfully built, big ape with a large head and short neck. It is the largest living primate. Gorillas are also stocky animals with broad chests and shoulders, large human-like hands, and small eyes set into their hairless faces. Gorillas are also found in the forests of Central Africa. Gorillas eat a mainly vegetarian diet, feeding on stems, bamboo shoots, and fruits. Some gorillas also eat termites. You can also use gorilla in a sentence like this. The gorilla was looking around at the humans, watching it while eating its yummy food. Alright, kiddos, tell your parents the word you just learned from Joe and Joey, gorilla! If you liked our video, ask your parents to give us a like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, kiddos! Be sure to check back again next week for the new word of the week.